Ganda yan oh, kung may second floor ako dyan oh. May picture. Video natin before and after. Before and after. Before and after soon. Tapos dito gawin ko yung garden before and after. Yun. Kita nyo doon, may butas yun oh. May butas yun oh. Soon to be. Ipagkaloob ni Lord. Ayun. Yan yung hangganan dyan, yan. Hangganan yan, yan. Yung may ano, lublocks. Yan ang hangganan. Yan ang hangganan oh. Ayan oh. Ganda ng bulaklak oh. Yan ang kayamanan ko dito sa likod.